Hi friends, this video shows how to reset all Wi-Fi settings and fix all Wi-Fi problems. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, go to general management, tap here, go down, tap on reset, go down, tap on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, tap here, then tap on this reset settings button. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete your photos, videos, contacts, anything. It just reset only the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, that's all. Tap on this reset settings button. See the message Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings reset. Done. After that we can close this. Then again go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Then go to connections. Here we can turn on Wi-Fi. Tap here, turn on Wi-Fi. Then tap on this Wi-Fi label. Now phone is searching for nearby Wi-Fi networks. From this list select your Wi-Fi network. Let me set home Wi-Fi, that is a Wi-Fi network I am using. Then enter Wi-Fi password here. Then tap on connect. See, it's connected. So this way we can reset all Wi-Fi settings and fix all Wi-Fi problems. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.